The Yellow Jacket Combustion Analyzer has many parameters you can preset to be ready to run for every use. In this video, we will cover those program settings. Clicking on the Power and Menu button brings up your menu. This allows you to set measurements, set up your calibration, clear or recover files from the memory, run diagnostics, and show where you can send in your analyzer for service and more. Let's get started. The first menu is for measurements. When the arrow on the left side is pointing to measurements, click on the OK button in the center of the arrows on the touchpad. This will bring you to the measurement menu of options. Clicking on the Escape key at any time will bring you back out of the current level of the menu. This will bring up your mode, fuel, and memory menus. You may select between manual and automatic modes. When the arrow is pointing to mode, click OK and then use the up and down arrows to select the mode. In the fuel menu, you have the option to select one of 12 preconfigured fuels. Memory allows you to select which of the 5 storage areas you would like to be in. You may clear, recall, or store into this storage area. Selecting Draft allows you to zero the sensor for draft calculations. CO Air shows your zero for your CO sensor. Pressure lets you zero your device for accurate pressure readings by zeroing the pressure sensor. Select which memory slot to use for storage or to read data from. Selecting memory allows you to pull recorded data for printing or to generate a QR code for use with the YJ Combustion app. Or you can clear this entry for new data to be able to be stored in this file location. The next menu is the Analysis menu. See the Combustion Analyzer in-use video for more information. In the Fuel menu, you have the option to select one of 12 preconfigured fuels. Condensation allows you to adjust your elevation in 100-foot increments and adjust relative humidity for current weather conditions. O2 reference allows for changing the CO in the reference sample in increments of 0.1%. Measure units allows you to change units for CO, pressure, draft, temperature, and altitude. Air temp allows you to match the actual air temp sensor variation to recalibrate the zero mark for temperature changes. CO protection allows you to turn off the CO limit or to change the set point. Changing this will affect sensor life and shorten accuracy if used in a higher CO area as your protection of the device is lowered and more CO is allowed into the sensor. Display allows you the ability to adjust the brightness and the contrast of the display screen. On-site calibration. This feature is for calibration by certified technicians only. Clock allows you to change between 12 and 24-hour modes and set date and time for accurate records. Bluetooth shows you the Bluetooth ID and allows you the ability to turn on and off the Bluetooth on the device. Alarm allows you to set which gas you will have alarm. Using Measure allows O2 or CO alarm. Using Mode allows the option of alarming at a minimum, a maximum, or turning the alarm off. The limit is the desired indication at which the unit alarms and is the set point for alarm. The Print menu allows the user to set the number of copies to print on the Bluetooth printer. It also allows you to turn on and off the Bluetooth printing. The printer on-off is not available if you do not have it connected. The QR code on-off is to generate a QR code for use with the YJ Combustion app. The pairing option is used to connect with your Bluetooth printer. The Language menu lets you select between 3 language options: English, Spanish, and French. Restore is used to reset to factory defaults. The Diagnostics menu is used to determine if there is an issue with your combustion analyzer. The Sensor menu checks the 2 onboard S102 and S2CO sensors, and a third optional sensor if installed for nitric oxide. If the S3 NOx is not installed, the additional feature will not be activated, and it will be displayed as 3 dashes for the sensor as well as 3 dashes for the sensor performance. Gas Probe runs a probe test with probe cap. Follow on-screen prompts for running this self-diagnosing test. Keep in mind that the cover for the probe is required for this test. In the Hardware menu, you are able to see the memory status, the calibration status, and the battery voltage status, as well as the ADC channels. Info Service, the last menu on the list, is probably the most important as it has the information on where to send units for calibration or maintenance and how to reach service or support for the CA502 when needed. This has been a demonstration of the Yellow Jacket Combustion Analyzer CA502 and CA502P, part number 68602 and 68601, menus and configuration settings setup. For more details, visit yellowjacket.com for product and customer support information.